everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Another day, another vlog. I want to start this vlog first by thanking God for giving me a lot of blessings, for blessing me much more than I deserve. Second, I want to thank you all for supporting me and watching my videos. Without you, I wouldn't be able to achieve something like this in my life. So, I have finished my house, obviously, and you might be thinking, what is next for Meljean? And oh my gosh, I cannot stop smiling because, to be honest, I am so grateful to be able to achieve something like this. I cannot imagine that I will be able to finally have my own car for the longest time. This has been my dream since I was a kid because we never had a car, and yeah, I am just super duper happy. I know for the last few days I was not able to vlog, but this is exactly the reason, because I was trying to wait for it. I was trying to process the car. So here it is right now. This is going to be a car reveal, and again, thank you guys all so much for helping me achieve this. And just a disclaimer, this is not my way of bragging in any way, shape or form. This is just me wanting to share with you guys that can hopefully inspire a lot of people that dreams do come true. And here it is right now. So I'm gonna show you guys my car finally. So okay, so I have here the key, and by the way, I got the 2020 Toyota Vios XLE, and here it is right now. Okay, so here is my car. This is metallic red, and I know a lot of you guys might be thinking, why is it red, since I like the color white? And I just really want it to be different as well. I love the color red. I think it is very sexy, and I felt like it is screaming like a strong, independent woman. So I'm happy with the color that I got. Since this is a sedan, one of the reasons why I did not get a white as well, because it would look like a taxi. So if it's red, then it wouldn't look like a taxi anymore. Yeah, this is 5-seater car. So come on, let's try to roam around. I actually just got it today. I drove this car from the city going here in the countryside, and I was so scared, to be honest. But I have Razzle and my sister that was my passenger, and they were like patient. They were just calm while me trying to drive them here in the countryside. So yeah, so I don't really know how to do like a car tour, but come on, I'm gonna take you guys inside. So I have here the key. By the way, if you guys are wondering, I paid it cash because I am the type of person where I don't really want to have credit. That's why I really save up and wait until I'll be able to achieve such amount so that I can get this car. So yeah, I hope you guys will continue to watch my videos. Don't skip ads. But yeah, thank you guys so much for this. I'm so happy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get inside the car so that you guys can see what's the inside as well. Let's go and get inside now. Hello. Welcome to my car. Okay, so it's so funny because I was like driving earlier from the city going here, and I was so terrified because this is the very first time that I was driving without any instructor, and we are going on a highway, and it was just like basically me. So I was like really careful. And yeah, good thing that we arrived here safely. That's what's very important. Okay, so we are gonna try to turn it on so that you guys can see how is it. So I am super excited, guys, because finally I can already like go anywhere. I can take you guys anywhere we go here in Cebu City or outside Cebu City, because finally we have a car. And I know one of you guys commented that I should go out, go to the beach, try some restaurants and whatnot. And the reason why I was not able to do that, because I am so afraid of taking the motorbike. You guys know I've been hospitalized because of riding a motorbike, going to the city and whatsoever. So I really hate riding a motorbike. So that's why I am super happy that finally I got 4 wheels. Okay, so I'm gonna try to let's go ahead and try to turn it on. It is super hot right now. Okay, I am gonna put on my seatbelt. Safety first. Close your door. So I just turned on the air condition because it is super hot in the Philippines right now. And yeah, this is just pretty much how the car looks like. It is 5-seater. What else should I say? It's got a Bluetooth speaker here. It's got this screen over here. It's powered windows and powered mirror as well. And then this is automatic transmission. And I know some of you guys might be asking how much they pay for this. I would want to keep that to myself. I hope you guys will understand. Okay, so we are gonna try to drive. We're just gonna go back up to the house. Okay, so that's turned on, and then we're just gonna reverse pretty much. And then drive.
Okay. Hop. Ay, kulit siya. Okay, lubag. Layo ra. Hop, atras gamay. Kamaw na ka na, may kay.
Scarlett.
Atas gamay.
Lubag na nasa ganilikin. Oh, kan na.
Kan na.
Lubag ligid.
Largo ka man sa kamunggayan. Hop.
Okay, sakay na kanan.
Hey, ma'am.
That was a struggle. Oh my god, come on, get in. So we are fully loaded now. We have Razzle beside me, and then at the back, okay, we have Razzle's mom, Saika, my sister, and Scarlett. That was a struggle earlier. That was crazy. That was my first time, okay? So bear with me. Alright, we're gonna go now. I am driving now around the area. I'm gonna take you guys on a quick drive so you guys can see how do I drive. Well, I think you probably have known already how do I drive, you know. But we are gonna try to do a circle around here in the countryside. Razzle is holding the camera right now. We are not turning on the AC here. I know it's very hot, but we're not turning it on because we have a really cold wind.
Mag-tour.
Okay, sure.
Toga. Nay.
Pak. Lo. Ato lagi tag. Wow. Sexy lady driver. Sexy kayo, eh?
Scarlett, are you okay in there? Huh?
Say hi.
Hi.
Sure.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Right ka, Kartita? Dire, so arita.
So right now we are actually on the road where our school is when I was in grade school and high school as well. So this road that we are on right now, this is the road that we normally would walk every single day going home and of course going to school. So me and Razzle, my sister, this is gonna be the road that we usually take every day. So yeah, this is quite far. We are going to walk around 30-40 minutes every day going to school and then going back as well. So yeah, that's how it is. We have some riders over here. Hello, hello. Ooh, look at that.
Ansay may pamati ba nga? Nakasakay na.
Dota di ay. Nakatuig karapag sa kay auto eh.
So this is Dad's first time riding a car like this. We just actually got him from my grandma's place, and then we're just gonna turn around pretty much.
You can dance, kalat bebe?
Yes.
Akira ka dira?
Oh. Mari.
Tako ba ka ng kalsada diha?
We are on the highway. Okay.
Okay, go.
Sige.
We are on the go. Ta-da! They're actually working on this road right now. We just turn around because we're gonna get some vegetables for dinner. We're not eating meat anymore because your girl don't have money anymore.
Oh, look.
So stressed. Go. We have some sweet corn in that really big pot. We're gonna get some sweet corn. Kapila?
Nay, tita, hayang ko.
Kune din ha.
Ayang ko.
We have just arrived at home, so you guys can see it in a few. So good luck to me in trying to park. Okay, there she is. She's so white. We need to ask Mom to guide us actually.
Nanaw. Nana.
Na!
Sige, makita ko ang naglugar di. Sige. Ako ang naglugar.
Ta-da!
Ari, bobo.
Ta-da! We're home!
Inaabot na tatita.
Right, so I'm gonna get inside here at the back so you guys can see it. So it is quite spacious, like especially in the at the back of the driver because I am very small, so I need to like really be near the steering wheel. It actually has 4 stereo or like 4 speakers, so that is quite good because like I can connect my cell phone to the Bluetooth and then we can have a good music. And then here on this side, this is going to be like storage or something, so I put something here. This is my mask, so like some receipts I put it there. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys for my car. We're gonna try to go to the trunk so that you guys can see it as well. So come on, let's go. Right, so we have here the back of the car. Look, you can really put a lot of stuff in here, and as you guys can see, we have here like some of the tools, and then underneath this is where we can see the spare tire. Can you see it? Ta-da! Right, there you go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Cannot stop saying to you guys that I am so happy, but I am really genuinely happy for this, that I have finally got it. And again, thank you guys all so much for the love and support. The money that I used to buy this car is coming from YouTube revenue, and yeah, I am so grateful that I'm able to achieve something like this. We can already go on a road trip. I can already go to the city anytime that I want, even if it's raining, even if it's hot whatsoever. Like I can literally go anywhere else, and I am super happy. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for my car reveal, and I'm happy to share it with you. And thank you guys again so much for everything. I am beyond grateful, and for my family as well for supporting me all the way. I wouldn't be able to achieve something like this without their support and you guys' support as well. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please do subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!